This is Becky with Diakonos Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to attach box Rollo chain directly to a clasp. Each box Rollo chain has two segments, and we're going to use a round nose pliers to go into the lower part of a link and grasp it firmly at the thickest part of the link. Then come in with a chain nose pliers and bend open the tip of the box Rollo just ever so slightly. We'll add the closure, in this case it's a magnetic slider, and then come in with your pliers again and bend the tip back. In this case, it's nice and firmly put together.